What's up folks, my name is Felix, welcome back to this video today, and again I want to bring a new project to your attention which is called Aviate. And finally, this is a real deal trading bot project with institutional investments, and you can participate through buying their native coin, the Aviate coin, stake that coin and generate weekly dividends from those bot profits. But step by step, why is this now the real deal? Because those guys will dox in the coming days. Their pre-sale will happen on the 21st or on the 22nd of March, completely depending if you are already a member of the Truth Seekers community and hold some truth tokens. And why is that important? Because they cooperate with Truth Seekers and will do their KYC, their audit, and also docs before the pre-sale starts. And this has just been announced in their Discord because he just said, Joshua, one of the co-founders, that they will release their trading logs this week before pre-sale and the marketing will start tomorrow. There will be a lot of AMAs where he is showing his face and also a lot of videos. And I wanted to front run all these marketing activities that you can do your research before all the other people know about the project. So to come back, why this project is the real deal, they fulfill all requirements which I want to see in a serious trading bot project and not in one of those shady ones. As I already mentioned, they will cooperate with Truth Seekers and do their KYC and their audit with them. And they will also be listed on their wallet watcher where we can see the whole funds, so where the money is going. And that's, in my opinion, very important in those trading bot projects. To give you a better picture on how that whole business model works, we are taking a deeper look in their white paper. So they will basically do institutional investments with their own brokerage account, which means that they are in all times in full control of the traded funds, and they are only working with professionals which have a track record in the space and also can show proof of their trading results. They will diversify into different bots, for example, Forex AI bots and 4 different crypto bots. And those bots will have different risk levels and of course different yields. So the expected monthly return will be between 10 and 20% if you stake the Aviate token. And that's what we want to talk about now, the tokenomics of the Aviate token. So there will only be one token, which is the Aviate token, and the use case of this token is to stake it to receive the weekly dividends which are paid out in the USDC stablecoin. They will never pay out dividends in their native token. And there are basically 2 ways how you can benefit from this Aviate token. The first way is to stake the token to receive your weekly USDC dividends, and those dividends or trading profits will be paid out proportionally to all the Aviate stakers. So the higher the overall staked Aviate amount is at any given time, the lower the USDC payouts will be for each staked Aviate investor. But as more and more people get aware of the project and the weekly trading profits are paid out, there will be massive buy pressure on this token. And the more buy pressure is on the token, the higher the token price will rise. And of course, there will also be some people who want to sell the token then to take profits. And that's, in my opinion, the interesting thing in this ecosystem. There are 2 ways you can profit from it. So as I already mentioned, there will be weekly payouts, which will happen every Saturday automatically, and you can claim them on their dApp. These rewards will be paid out percentage based on your Aviate stake. You can also do compounds, but to compound your Aviate token, you have to get your USDC, which are paid out in dividends. Again, there will never be dividends paid out in the native token, just in USDC. And then you have to convert your USDC, again in Aviate token, to do a new stake. And those stakes run for 30 days. So that's the basic staking period. And there will be a 7% sell tax on the Aviate token, no deposit tax. And now you might want to ask, how does the team profit from this? There is a profit share model. If we take a look on their business model, it will be a 70-30 split. 70% of the bot profits will go to the Aviate investors and 30% goes to the team, which will be used for research development, and 10% of the overall profits will go to the team as a profit share, which is a very common number in the space. And to mention it again, because it's very important, their wallets will be monitored by Truth Seekers on the wallet watcher to make sure that there is no shady activity with the investor funds. The whole project will run on the Binance Smart Chain. There will just be this Aviate token and USDC for the trading bot profits. The total supply will be capped at 5 million Aviate token. There will never be more. And they will launch on the Command Swap DEX 1 week after pre-sale. As I already mentioned, the pre-sale will happen on the 21st of March for the Truth Seekers community. And how to qualify for that, you have to hold at least 2,500 Truth token, which are now valued. If we take a look on the Truth chart, the Truth token is now at 14 cents, which would mean you have to pay 350 US dollars if you want to jump in on the first day. But honestly, do I think this pre-sale will sell out on the first day? No. There will be a 24-hour windows for the Truth Seekers community, but after that there will also be a 7-day pre-sale for the overall investors. And that's where I think you can get in as well without buying the Truth token. But that's of course just speculative. I personally think there's not enough money in the market right now to sell out the pre-sale in one day in these 24 hours from one community. And that's why I think you should be good if you jump in on Wednesday, so on the 22nd of March. The fixed price of the presale will be at $1. There will be a minimum presale contribution of 100 USDC, no hard cap and no maximum. And as already mentioned, the Truth Seekers community will be able to join one day before the overall community. So that should do it for a first overview on the Aviate project. As I already mentioned, I'm very excited to see this launching because I already waited for the project over 2 months, and now is finally the time that the presale and the launch are ahead. But to also make this very clear right here, this is a trading bot project with high returns, so 10 to 20% a month. And this brings, of course, risk. You could potentially lose a part of your capital or maybe even your whole capital. And that's why you should only invest funds which you could afford to lose in this emergency situation. If you don't want to miss any updates on Aviate or other potentially promising DeFi projects, you might want to subscribe to my channel. I bring these videos at least every second day here, and I'm always front running the other guys that you have the information first. If you like this kind of content, would be great if you can hit the like button. If you don't want to miss any future videos, you might want to subscribe. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Let's get this crypto.